These lipsticks sell out super fast, and getting your hands on them is a task, and especially if it is available on discount, grab it while you can. And these are some very popular shades, and you can keep your eyes on some of these fast selling lipstick shades. First one we have is what I have on my lips right now, which is from the Mass Matte Muse range, which this entire range is very popular, but this particular shade called Trendsetter, you can almost always find this out of stock. So if it is available, pick it up, because it's a beautiful brown tone nude shade for my skin tone. It is a little bit blurring and super affordable. And then we have this range from Inside, which is for 199 rupees, and I could never find this in stock, and when I did see it finally back in stock, I picked it up right away. I think it's out of stock again. So I have one shade called Chocobar, which is a beautiful brown shade, and then we have a shade called Barely Mine. It's a beautiful, subtle, cool toned brown nude shade. Everybody's favorite nude, which is Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha, is finally back in stock this time, and it is a little bit different from the last time I've swatched this. I feel the shade has been changed up a little bit, and the formula is a little bit more drying, but if you want to get your hands on it, do so before it goes out of stock again. This shade was literally a task for me to get my hands on. This is Makeup Revolution Sugar Plum. Honestly, it's a little too bright for my liking. And then I have this Sugar Plumping Gloss Stick in the shade Brown Bus. There's another shade I want to get my hands on, but it's out of stock forever. These are so nice, plumping, moisturizing on your lips, and look amazing on the lips. NYX Hydrating Gloss Serum in Mauve and Moist. I literally waited so long to get my hands on this. It's a beautiful deep red shade with a little bit of pink undertones. It's a stain it leaves behind. And then I have Romant Blur Fudge Tint in Radwood. It took me a while to get my hands on this. It's like a very muted red shade. I feel all the shades in this range of the Maybelline lipsticks are really good, but my favorite is Wildcard, and it is out of stock most of the times. It's a beautiful red shade, and it's certainly a unique red. And then from Anastasia, you should try out the shade Sugar Plum, which is a beautiful nude shade. Then we have Anastasia Spice, which is a new shade, and it's a beautiful neutral nude shade. And then of course you have to try Clinique Cola Pop, which is finally now available on Nykaa as well. Earlier it was just Tira and Sephora. It's like a terracotta-ish red shade, very muted and very wearable. The formula is super comfortable. And then of course I have MAC Warm Teddy, which is now available in full size. I have a couple of different MAC Lustreglass lipsticks that I feel like are quite popular. So the first one I have is called Hug Me, which is very actually pale for my skin tone. You can't really even see it on my lips. This is for anyone with lighter skin tones, of course. Then I have Signature Move, which is like my lips but better kind of a shade. Then I have Uncensored, beautiful brown. A shade you would not regret picking up is Del Rio. This is a satin finish. It is made for our skin tones. Turn to the left. Mine is the older Bullet. Now it's called Hazy Matte. Mine is the Powder Kiss lipstick. And last but not the least, Pretty Pleats. It's a pretty shade. Just look at that pigmentation and color. I absolutely love this one. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Do let me know which of these shades you're planning to pick up, or if there's any other shade you think, it's going to sell out really fast and I should pick it up. Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.